let's do our destroy function. Since we are here already, it's pretty much the same as we did with our employees. Item, just the same, find or fail by ID, db table employees, because we are gonna delete, and it might be assigned to our employee, where item ID equals to ID. And let's update item ID to null, because it won't have any equipment assigned to it, won't give us an error. Item delete and return redirect back. That's pretty much it. Here you can see we have our destroy function, and now we have to add this to our layout. Let's go to our layout and let's add it to our menu. Here it is. Let's just copy this one, guys, and add our items menu. Items, we need our list and new item. Now let's change this to items, and this one too, items, and let's just change our icon here. I'm just gonna use this one. Let's see if it works. Oh, as you can see, I removed the dashboard one because it was unnecessary. Items. Let's go and see if it's working. Wow, typo error. Let's go to our items. Yeah, it's a semicolon. Let's go back and reload. Oh, sorry, I just copy and paste, so we have this one too. Let's see now. Oh, okay guys, I just forgot to put the HTTP here in our address, in our URL for this model. And let's go back here, and as you can see, it's working. Okay guys, let's just go and create a new item to see if it's working properly. Just call it laptop 1 2 3 4 5 6 and computer, and save it. Yep, as you can see, we saved the new item. Let's see, edit. Let's change the serial number. Save. Yep. Edit. As you can see, it changed it. So now let's see in our employees. We need to add here our item. So let's go to our employee, create. And as you remember, we had this comment, so let's just comment. Let's check our employees controller to see if we are sending what we need here. Create items, okay, items. Now let's just go and reload. Oh, we are missing something here. Sorry. And once again. Yep, here we go. Now let's see. Do we have any employee created? I think we did. No, let's create one. Let's just call it test and test and test job developer. Let's select laptop and save. Okay guys, we are missing something here. We need to go to our models, to our employee file. We are missing the relation, so let's add it. Let's add it. Public function. Let's call it item. It will return this belongs to, and our app, our model. This is gonna be HTTP models item, and it will reference our item ID. Okay, now let's see if it all works. Let's go back here and yep, there it is. Pretty much working all. Let's see this. We don't have an item because we already have assigned to our employee, but let's check this. If we delete our employee, we should get this item free. So let's delete it. Let's check it. And here it is. We can add the item once again because we now have an employee that has that item assigned, so we can choose it again. And well, I guess that's pretty much it, guys, for this this module. The next couple of videos we'll finish with our profile module, where we are gonna add some permissions and the login and that stuff. So let's wait for it, and please like and subscribe if you want. If you like it, share it with your friends and everyone you want it to. So let's see you later, guys. See you in the next videos, and please take care. See you.